Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to trade crypto on Webull step by step. So first thing, open your Webull app and log in into your account. After that, tap on markets. At the top, you will see a crypto section, tap on it. Now, even you already have a Webull account, you will need to open a separate crypto account. Just follow the setup steps or link your existing Webull Pay account. Once you are inside, you will see a list of available coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Next, select the coin you want to trade or search for it using the search bar. Now tap Trade. Here you can choose between market, limit, or stop limit orders. After that, enter the amount you want to invest, either in dollars or in crypto. Now check the time in force option. For market orders, it is usually immediate or cancel, meaning it will execute right away or not at all. Before confirming, review your order details carefully, include your balance and average cost. Also keep in mind, Webull doesn't charge direct fees, but there is about 1% separate built into the price. Finally, tap buy, then confirm your order. And that's it. You have successfully made your first crypto trade on Webull. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.